Good evening traders, this is Subhan from 200forexpips.com. So guys, we are here with another video and we will do live scalping on gold. So currently I am on a 1 minute gold time frame. So guys, I have judged the market on the 15 minutes. So first of all, have a look on the 15 minute. So if I make the trend line, then you can see that the market is below the, it's making the complete downward direction, and it's still below the middle green line. So it means that it's a bearish signal and it's a bearish momentum that is going on. Now I will see if the market starts to reject from this green line, then I will place a sell order, because on the 15 minute the candle has already pumped up. So I will wait for the bearish activity on this. So I will just keep my mouse cursor here, and I will see that if this candle starts to pump down, I will enter into the sell position, because a little bit recovery is made by gold and then it has chances to go into the further downward direction. Okay guys, it's going down. So I have placed my trade and you can see we are 39 minus on the trade. Okay guys, now we'll wait for the market, because overall it has less chances to go into the upside, because if we talk about the 15 minute, then 15 minute candle has already pumped at a very good level, so it has less chances to go into further upward trend. So maybe this green line is going to work as a resistance here for the gold 1 minute chart. So we will wait for the market to see that either it is going to break that green level or if it will stay below that level. But overall, don't worry about this, because when we have analyzed the thing on the 1 hour chart, 15 minute chart, then we are completely bearish into the as per the strategy. So all you need to do is to wait here, and we have to see that what's going on here. So guys, if I make the trend line from here to here, then guys, you can see that we are into the complete downward trend. So when I was watching this market, I also have seen that from the lower red yellow boundary, the market starts to pump up as well, but I haven't taken any type of buy position. So why I have not taken the buy position? Because I would like to trade with the trend. So how to come up with the trend? You have to judge the trend based on the 15 minute. If the 15 minute is going down, then you can see, okay guys, we have a big drop on gold right now. You can see on the screen it has already went down, and that's what I was talking about, that this green line can work as a resistance, because if you have watched the market on the 15 minute chart, everything is pretty fine to go down. So right now I missed that chance to close, but I will wait more, because overall there is no need to worry, because on the 15 minutes it's completely bearish as per the gold prediction. Okay, so we will wait for the market to go further down, at least at to this level, and then we will close this trade. Okay, those subscribers who do not have this trading indicator, they can contact me on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is given in the description of the video, and they can also leave their email to info@200forexpips.com. So this is the 1 minute perfect trading strategy that you can implement on gold, as well as you can also implement on other pairs that are MetaTrader 4 supported, and you can make massive profits with it. And guys, one more thing, let me tell you about this, that if you see that the market come into the top yellow boundary, and then you see that the market is going down after taking a U-turn, then you can also sell it. Like for example, if you take an example from here, you can see the market was rejected and then how swiftly it went down. Okay guys, we are getting 46, 47, something like this on the trade, and I would like to have more, because I don't want to close early. And look at the 15 minute, the 15 minute candle is also pumping down. Okay, now this is the beauty of this trading system. If you do trading with the flow of the market, then you can have very good profits from this trading market. Okay, and guys, I have shared many screenshots in my WhatsApp group, and you can find the link of the WhatsApp group in the description of this video below. Okay, so you can also join the group. So guys, we are getting something like $70 from the trade, 88, and we will place something like near to 100. We will plan to close that trade. Okay, 79, 73, and that's 111, 121, and look, it has still chances to go down, but above 100 we should have a close, because this is just for scalping, because we are not going to do over trading here as well. So guys, always keep this thing in your mind, that once you have a decent and reasonable profit at your end, so it's better to close during that time, so not to hold your trade for the longer period of time. So right now we are getting something like 60. We are not going to close it right now, because we want more from that trade, and it's still making the bearish pattern. $88, 97, 91, and 101, 102, and 103 we are done. Okay, so guys, what I have done, so basically I have found the trend on the 15-minute. When the candle was pumped high, it's more good to sell the pair when the price is bit high, but overall the trend is the downward trend. And then I thought that because 15-minute candle was supposed to go down, so I didn't take a chance to the top yellow line. I took a chance from the green line, and you can see the beauty of the trading system. It doesn't repaint, and it's giving me a very good result, and the profit it added to our current balance. And even if you look at here, we have a series of very good profits from 2184 that we have taken from the trading till now. So guys, if you like this video, then please press the like button and also subscribe my YouTube channel to stay tuned for the scalping series. And guys, moreover, those subscribers who want to get this powerful trading system, or those who want to book their coaching sessions, and those who want to get the signals directly on WhatsApp and through email as well, they can contact me on info@200forexpips.com. If you want a early reply from my side, you can contact me on WhatsApp as well. The WhatsApp number is given in the description of this video below, and the website is www.200forexpips.com. So hopefully guys, you like this video and the content. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.